Ready to become a pro in Facebook and Instagram advertising? Strap in. Number 1, audience targeting. Here's a kicker. 1.8 billion people use Facebook on a daily basis, with Instagram boasting about 1.3 billion daily users, according to Hootsuite. Meta, the overarching brand managing Facebook and Instagram, track everything you do on their platforms, and using ads, we can track you or your target audience based on this behavior. Gender, age, or geographic location are all metrics we use almost daily when we run ads for our clients. Got a birthday coming up? We can target you or your friends knowing full well that you do. But we can get more granular than that. Ever feel like ads are stalking you? That's retargeting. We'll dive deeper into that in another video. But in short, you can nudge people who've previously engaged with your website or social media. Talk about keeping your friends close. Number 2, ad formats. Choices. Where to begin? Millions of people dive into Instagram stories daily, and carousel ads, 10% higher engagement on Facebook than your standard static posts. But the real star of the show? Video ads. Video ads are not just for the big screen. They engage more, resonate deeper, and bridge that virtual gap with your audience, forming the beginning of a relationship with them. Number 3, budget flexibility. Sure, you can reach 1,000 people with $5, but consistency is the real MVP. Commit more of a budget and Facebook will place you in front of the audience it knows is more likely to convert. What's a conversion? That could be a lead, a sale, a like on your post, whatever you feel is most important for your business. The higher your budget, the nicer Facebook will play and the better bang for your buck you will get. You know that boost button you're seeing on the bottom of your posts? You might just want to stay away from that one if you're serious about advertising. But if you're just chasing a quick visibility sprint, sure, throw $5 at it and see how much more reach you'll get. Number 4, engagement and interactivity. Social media, whether you're talking about organic posts or paid ads, shouldn't be about selling. It's about building trust. It's your opportunity to offer your audience a more in-depth insight into what you do. It should also be a two-way conversation, and in recent times we've really seen Facebook and Instagram messages to business pages explode. Digital's instant and people crave that immediacy. Got a team, put them on standby, because the more time people spend on social media, the more that reply now pressure rises. Modern woes. Number 5, analytics and tracking. Did you know we can track your users' behavior with a scary level of detail? Who clicked, converted, age, location, loyal visitor, or a flyby? If you're not using this data goldmine to mastermind your next move, you're going to get left behind. And don't even get me started on what's possible with AI right now. But don't forget, social media platforms are comfy corners. People aren't logging on to be sold to. That's what Google Ads are for. Play it cool, build trust, and be patient. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Keen to command the social space or want to know more about digital marketing? Drop your questions below, give us a follow, and we'll arm you with the digital know-how, one ad at a time.